Alright, so now I'm at Parkhaus1, and we've got my car here, for some reason. Look at this thing. Actually, all the way at the back of the show. The shop's all the way down there. Yeah, you got Corvette here. Yeah, they still got a few nice cars. 997 GT2, that was actually driven here. Is it a GT2? It is a Carrera 4S. Okay, so he just has like, I guess that's just a wrap. Well, that's good, it's cool, it's cool. Classic Porsches. 993, 964, or 911, or 930, I don't know. They're all the same. Oh, this was clean. What else do we have out here? Here's a 991 GT3. Oh, someone brought a Focus. Okay, I feel a little better. The wheels on this Boxster are too large. It's got these tiny rubber band tires. What the hell? It looks like probably looks like a donk now. There you go. E24 6 Series. All kinds of cool stuff. Something for everyone. There's even a Abarth. I think this is the Abarth that I raced a little while back. Possibly. Oh, and an F12. Is this a TDF? Let's see. No, it's just a regular F12, but I really like it. This is it's got this kind of a flat pearlescent, might be like a wrap job with these gold wheels. I wonder if this is Steven's old car. Maybe someone purchased it. I know it was for sale at Prestige Imports. I don't know if these are the same wheels, similar color. Cool. And you got the two VW buses here. All right, so let's hop inside and see what's going on. Oh, Turbo S. '991 generation. Huge RWB 964. Yeah, look at that arch. Beautiful. Salami and cheese. They got donuts. Whatever. Good. Pesto mozzarella. Man, they really go overboard with the food here. It's amazing. All right, so now that I've had some breakfast, let's see what's here. We got a 911. Let's see. Oh, what? I don't think I've seen this before. It's a 911 Speedster. So this is looks like a classic 911 generation. 911 Speedster. I don't know if you've ever sit in one of these. Honestly, I think it's the weirdest sitting position because you sit here, right? So you sit here, but the pedals are all the way like over here. So all of your feet go that way. And then look at the steering wheel. Let me see if I can get the camera set up right. It's not quite perfectly centered. So all of the controls are off to the right, but you're sitting in the middle. And then it's just, I don't know why people like it. It's such a weird driving position. On newer 911s, it's corrected. It's more centered with your body, but on the old classic 911, it's all off to the right. And as a matter of fact, all of the old Beetles and old Volkswagens are like that too. Maybe it's because I'm fat and my legs are much thicker, so it's much harder for me to get my feet into the right position, but it's a very odd drive. Over here, oh, check this out. Hypercar. Porsche 918 Spider. Of course, you got the classic Speedster. Another one here. Oh, no, 356. Not the Speedster. 997 GT3. Another classic. Let's see what's in the detailing bay. Anything cool? Oh, they got a Cayenne. See, I love this. All the lights. All this almost of a kind of like a laboratory, like a clean room. So they can wash the cars, clean them, do what needs to be done. They even have a little lift so you can take the wheels off, clean the wheels. Oh, I like this. 997 Speedster. Oh, look at this spec. You can see here, it's limited edition, number 201 out of 356. Wow. See the checker pattern on the seats? Perforated leather with blue leather surrounding the black. This is really nice. Also here they have a door. Perhaps this is from an older 911. Looks like they're restoring it. Looks like some of the clearing off, wet sanding some of the orange peel. This guy has the PDK gearbox, the Sport Chrono package. You can see the stopwatch there. And he has the PCCB, the Porsche carbon composite brakes. Real nice. Anything cool in the shop that I can see? Nothing that immediately lends itself out to me. Actually, it looks like the shop might be open for public. Might be open to the public because I see a couple of guys in there. I don't know if they're employees or customers. All right. Turbo 3.6. Old 930 generation. I love Porsches. As a matter of fact, part of the reason that I'm bringing in the metric to AN adapters is that a lot of Porsche shops have been requesting it. So on the website, we're going to start stocking metric to AN adapters, metric plugs, which really helps with adapting some of the older ports for your fuel system, for your power steering, for whatever you might be using it, adapting them for AN so you can remake those hoses, especially for hoses that may no longer be available. As a matter of fact, I know that on the 7 Series, for example, the M5, there's this hose that costs like $700 from the dealer, and all it is just the Vanos pressure hose for the oil, the Vanos oil pressure hose. So that hose costs like $700, but perhaps if I could make an adapter kit and sell it for like, I don't know, $100 or whatever, I'd probably save a lot of M5 owners a lot of money, which would be helpful. All right, let's head outside, see what's going on. Oh wow, look at this classic Mercedes. I don't even know what this is. This is interesting. What is this? What is this? This is a 280C. Of course, if you know, back in the day, all the... Whoa! Jesus fucking Christ! You fucking cunt! Holy shit! You guys see that? That Camry hit me with his mirror. Huh? That Camry hit me with his mirror. Really? That Camry all the way down there?
He hit you?
Yeah, with the mirror.
No way.
What the fuck?
And the guy kept on going.
Yeah. All right. So anyway, got the 280C here. Of course, as you know, like I was saying before, the Mercedes had a completely different model naming structure. So this is the 280C. It's a coupe, but it's almost as large as a big sedan. I almost think it's like I would think it's like an E-Class. So this is interesting. Got really nice leather on the inside. What else we got out here? Let's get GT3 997 up all the way down there. Got a 993, a couple 993s. Let's got a 964. This thing is pretty. An 11 Carrera T. Got a GT3 RS. Very nice. 993. Another 964. 911. Look at that. Carrera 4S. You see, I think it's only the Targas and the 4Ss that have that tail light that goes all the way across. Looks really slick, especially at night. Got a classic 911 here. And AMG GTC in flat gray. I'm not sure what the exact name of this color is, but it's really nice. There's the Panamericana grill there. I'm more a fan of the GTS though. I think I really like the roof line of the GTS. I think the convertible doesn't really retain that, but I like it. It's cool. Is this a Bullet?
It's a Bullet.
Yeah! There you go. One of the first Bullet Mustangs delivered in America, especially at least in Florida. Real nice. And you know, despite it being summer right now, it's actually fairly cool. It's not too hot. It's about 85, 80 degrees or so. It rained a lot over the last couple of days, so thankfully that's kind of working in my favor. Let's not spend too much time outside. Let's head back inside, hang out a bit, and enjoy some AC. Okay, so check this out. This is something I never quite realized before, is that when you have a 911 Speedster, this top doesn't contain the convertible top. It's not a normal convertible. You have to put this thing on it and stretch. It looks like you have to stretch this fabric cover over it. And that it's separate from the body, so that's interesting. I didn't realize that at first. So the plastic cover is just, I think it might just be for decoration, just to cover up the hole that would be there from the convertible top. And it doesn't look like, well, I see ribs here, but I don't know if the convertible top folds back. I think you have to put it on. That's interesting. All right, so it's a little later in the day. Got a couple more cars. Let's see what we got here. Here we have a Chevy Impala and Lotus Elise. Look at this thing; it's tiny. 570 S Spider. He just picked it up too. What the hell? Go kart. Oh, no way. Got a what's it called? A Beetle engine. There goes the 570. This event's winding down, so I might start leaving soon. Probably head out to lunch, get some food. Look at this classic right here. So this is a supercharged Elise, and the owner of the car actually put in this new shifter here. Let's go check this out real quick. A Sector 111 shifter. So I don't want to get in because it's too tight, but look at that. Everything is completely exposed. Look at that. So I think, let me see. You can see all the linkage moving and everything. It's actually kind of cool. Very mechanical. And it has a really, really tight feel because everything is all heim joints and bearings.
Does it have a brake?
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Brakes are thrown in gear.
I'll put it in first gear for you. Yeah. There you go. Real nice.
And then
Cool.
From the side, you can probably see the gauges. I put the oil pressure.
Oh, you put some new gauges in? Let's go check that out.
Yeah. Put oil pressure.
I don't know if you'll be able to open the door. It's a little.
Pressure. Yeah,
Should be okay. Ooh, okay. Oh, nice and tall.
got the oil pressure gauge and
Where'd you put the gauge?
temperature right there. See the gauges right there? In front of the shifter.
Oh, I see. Right in front of the shifter.
Yep.
Oh, that's cool. So you can see oil pressure, oil temperature right there.
Which is very
Real nice. Very important too.
Something you want to look at your car every time. Pretty much PSI for oil and temperatures are the most important part of gauges in your car.
Very good. Very good.
So
Cool, man. Hey, check it out. The Pantera's leaving. There you go. I think I saw a Ferrari 488 coming in. He might be parking out front, so let's go check that out real quick. Oh wait, no. He's coming right here. Here we go, Ferrari 488. Looks like it's getting black, I guess. Or maybe some kind of dark gray. It's got red seat belts. twin turbo V8, 660 horsepower. The car's a lot of fun. $40,000 car. All right, here in Wynwood. It's actually about 5 hours since the end of the show. I went to do a few errands, meet some people, meet a couple of clients from Finish Line Factory. But here we are in Wynwood. Let's see if there's anything cool to see. Hey guys, so I'm here at the shop. I forgot to film an outro for this video. Basically, when I went to Wynwood, I went to Brickell in downtown. There wasn't a whole lot going on, and honestly, it was just really, really hot around that time. So I decided to just end the video there and just go home. So I didn't really film that much. There wasn't much going on anyway. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.